You have probably used Chrome extensions like AdBlock or JSON Viewer, Password Manager, etc. Right? They are super handy. But as a developer, have you ever stopped to wonder how these Chrome extensions are made? Well, you are in the right place. In this series, we will be diving into the world of Chrome extension development, and to kick things off, we will be building a real useful tool, a Chrome extension that converts ChatGPT chats to downloadable PDF. By the end of the series, you will not only understand how Chrome extension work, but you also have built your own from the scratch. So in episode 1, we will be covering how Chrome extension work, understanding the manifest Petri file, extension folder structures, understanding Chrome extension permissions. At the end, I will give you the demo of the project that we will be building throughout this series. Let's understand how Chrome extension work behind the scene and how its main part talk to each other to bring extra feature into the Chrome browser. Everything starts with the manifest.json file. It's like the blueprint of the extension. It tells Chrome what the extension can do, what permission it needs, and which file to load. Next, we have content script. It gets injected into a specific website and can read or change the page content, but it has limited access, so it needs help from other parts of the extension. The background script, or the service worker in a manifest Petri file, runs in the background and handles the code logic. It listens to the events like clicks, page load, or message, and performs tasks like API calls, tab control, or data processing. Pop-up UI, the visible part. When the user clicks the extension icon, the pop-up appears. It's a small HTML page with a button or settings. It's connected to the background script and can trigger tasks or display results to the user. Now here is the key part. These components talk to each other using the message passing. For example, the pop-up sends a message to a background script to fetch data, or the content script asks the background to store something. All this runs inside the Chrome browser. Chrome reads the manifest, loads the right part, injects the script into web pages, and keeps everything running smoothly and securely. In short, the manifest file defines it, the content script sees the page, the pop-up shows the UI, and the background script runs the logic, all connected through the message passing inside the Chrome browser. So what is manifest file? The manifest file is the heart of every extension. It's a JSON file that tells Chrome what extension can do, what Chrome extension can do, what permission it needs, and which part to load, like background script, content script, or pop-up UI. Without it, the extension won't work at all. Manifest file is the heart of every Chrome extension. It's a JSON file that tells Chrome what extension is, what it can do, what permission it needs, and which parts to load, like background script, content script, or pop-up UI. Without it, the extension won't work at all. For the project, we will keep our folder structure simple but effective. We have image folder that stores all the images and icons that requires for the extension. We have pages folder that stores all the HTML pages of the extension. Script folder, it stores all the content script, background script. It holds all the JavaScript logics inside this folder. Styles, for styling the web pages. The manifest.json file, as I already told, it is the heart of the extension. And pop-up the HTML.